I remember one winter night in Minnesota when the snow came down so thick it looked like the sky itself was falling. The wind howled against the windows, rattling them like they might shatter. I stood there staring into the white chaos, shivering, not just from the cold, but from the sheer power of it. In that moment, one thought echoed in my mind. Why do blizzards rage the way they do? As a kid, I always thought snowstorms were magical, a chance to skip school and play in the snow. But standing there as an adult, feeling the house tremble under the storm's force, I realized this wasn't just snow. It was nature showing its wild side. And I couldn't help but feel a mix of awe and fear. I grabbed a blanket and opened my laptop, determined to finally understand the science behind these icy assaults. I typed in question after question, chasing the answer the way snowflakes chase the wind. The suspense built as I pieced together fragments of information, like assembling a frozen puzzle. What I learned surprised me. A blizzard isn't just heavy snow, it's a perfect storm of conditions: freezing temperatures, moisture in the air, and strong winds colliding at the wrong or maybe right moment. Imagine shaking a snow globe, but instead of the flakes drifting gently down, a giant fan blasts them sideways until you can't see a thing. That's a blizzard. It reminded me of standing in front of a dryer vent when a lint-filled gust bursts out. You can't see, you can't breathe, you just brace yourself. Or like being inside a shaken-up soda bottle, pressure exploding in all directions. Another way to picture it, walking through a sandstorm, but with ice instead of grit slicing across your skin. Before I saw blizzards as random bursts of bad luck, punishing anyone caught outside. Now I see them as complex battles between temperature, wind, and moisture. They're not accidents. They're the Earth's atmosphere pulling levers and setting forces in motion we can't control. And the meaning hit me. Just like in life, storms often look chaotic from the inside, but step back and you see the systems and causes at work. Sometimes the things that feel random and overwhelming are built from patterns we don't yet understand. So now, whenever I hear the wind whip and see the snow swirl into a wall of white, I don't just feel fear. I feel respect. Respect for the balance of forces that shape our world, and the reminder that even the fiercest storms pass. If this discovery surprised you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Check the description and pinned comment for links to similar curious science questions.